No one should have to suffer from violence against women, domestic abuse and sexual violence. However, we want to reassure you that help is available to people who do. As Chief Constable Pam Kelly told BBC Wales Today, over the last 2.5 weeks, Gwent Police has had 130 fewer reports of domestic abuse. However, we know that this is an issue that is a significantly underreported issue in our communities, and the police are here to help you. We know that violence against women, domestic abuse and sexual violence can affect anyone regardless of their gender, age, race, sexuality or social background. The abuse can take many forms, whether that's physical, sexual, financial, discrimination, institutional, emotional or neglect. And the perpetrator could be a relative, a friend or neighbour, a member of staff or anyone within the community. No single agency can tackle this, and by working together, we can provide you with the support and advice you need to end the abuse and ensure that it doesn't happen again. Please don't suffer in silence. Help is available. Don't be worried about contacting Gwent Police if you feel under threat.